வணக்கம், என் பெயர் டோஷிகா. நான் 5ஆம் வகுப்பு படிக்கிறேன். நான் இப்போது சுற்றுப்புறத்தில் நிகழும் ஒவ்வொரு நிகழ்வுக்கும் என்னென்ன அறிவியல் பின்புலம் உள்ளது என்பதை கூற வந்துள்ளேன். வானவில் எப்படி தோன்றுகிறது? வானில் உள்ள நீர்த்துளிகளுள் சூரிய ஒளி ஊடுருவும் போது நீர்த்துளிகளின் பின்புறமாக எதிரொலிப்பதால் வானவில் தோன்றுகிறது. விண்மீன் ஒளிர்வது எதனாலே? விண்மீன்கள் தங்களிடம் உள்ள ஒன்றிற்கும் மேற்பட்ட ஹைட்ரஜன் அணுக்கள் இயற்பியல் நிகழ்வின் உதவியுடன் ஒன்றிணைப்பதன் மூலம் ஒளி வீசுகின்றன. ரோஜாப்பூ சிவப்பது எதனாலே? ரோஜாப்பூவில் ஆந்தோசைனின் என்ற நிறமி இருப்பதால் சிவந்த நிறத்தில் காணப்படுகிறது. பறவைகள் பறக்க காரணம் என்ன? பறவைகள் பறக்க காரணம் அவற்றின் எலும்புகளிலும் இறகுகளிலும் காற்று பைகள் உள்ளன. அவை பறப்பதற்கு உதவுகின்றன. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பெயர் யாஷினி. நான் இப்பொழுது அறிவியல் கண்டுபிடிப்புகளை பற்றி கூறப்போகிறேன். இதய துடிப்பை கண்டறிய புதிய வழிமுறையை கண்டுபிடித்த 2 இளைஞர்களை பற்றி தெரிந்து கொள்வோம். பூங்காவில் அமர்ந்திருந்தால் அப்பொழுது 2 சிறுவர்கள் சீசா என்ற மரப்பலகையில் விளையாடி கொண்டிருந்தான். ஒரு சிறுவன் ஒரு மூலையில் குண்டூசியால் கீறி கொண்டிருந்தான். மற்றொரு சிறுவன் மற்றொரு மூலையில் காதை வைத்து கேட்டுக்கொண்டிருந்தான். இதை பார்த்த எனக்கு மருத்துவமனைக்கு சென்று ஒரு தாளை எடுத்து சுருட்டி நோயாளி இதயத்தை வைத்து கேட்டார். இதய துடிப்பு துல்லியமாக கேட்டது. இதுவே அவன் ஸ்டெத்தோஸ்கோப் கண்டறிவதற்கு காரணம். நன்றி.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பெயர் ஜோனா. நான் 5ஆம் வகுப்பு படிக்கிறேன். நான் இப்பொழுது தமிழர்களின் வீரக்கலைகள் பற்றி கூறப்போகிறேன். தமிழரின் வீரத்தை பறைசாற்றும் வகைகள் சில விளையாட்டுகள் உள்ளன. அந்த வீர விளையாட்டுகள் சிலவற்றை நாம் இங்கு காண்போம். ஏறு தழுதல், காளையை தழுவி அதன் வீரத்தை அடக்குவதாகும். சிலம்பம், கம்பு சுழலும் போது ஏற்படும் ஓசையை அடிப்படையாக கொண்டது சிலம்பம். வில்வித்தை, வித்தை என்பது வியப்படை வைக்கும் ஒரு செயல். வில்லின் மூலம் மக்களை வியப்படை செய்வது வில்வித்தை. இன்று ஒலிம்பிக் போட்டிகளில் சேர்க்கப்பட்டுள்ளமை தமிழர்களுக்கு பெருமை சேர்ப்பதாகும். பண்டைய தமிழர்கள் விரும்பி கற்றுக்கொண்ட விளையாட்டு வில்வித்தை. மற்போர், இருவர் கைகோர்த்து கால்களாலும் தலையாலும் இடித்து உதைத்து ஒருவருடன் ஒருவர் செய்வதே மற்போர். பகைவரை எதிர்கொள்ளும் வகையில் விளங்கிய இம்மற்போர் பின்னால் வீர விளையாட்டாக மாறியிருந்தது. நம் நாட்டில் ஒவ்வொரு மாநிலங்களிலும் மற்போர் கழகங்கள் உள்ளன.
Good morning. Welcome to Puppet Test, where in India a little boy named Teddy found a tiny mongoose in the garden. He named him Rikki Tikki Tavi and took him home. Rikki Tikki Tavi loved Teddy and his family. He wanted to protect them. Rikki Tikki Tavi discovered 2 sneaky snakes, Nag and Nagaina, living in the garden. They wanted to hurt Teddy's family. Rikki Tikki Tavi knew that he had to stop them, fought Nag and killed him. Nagaina was angry. She wanted revenge. Rikki Tikki Tavi was ready. The 2 enemies fought fiercely. Rikki Tikki Tavi was quick and clever and killed Nagaina too. From that day on, Rikki Tikki Tavi was a hero. He protected his house with all his heart. Thank you.
Good morning, dear poetry enthusiasts. Welcome to this enchanting morning of poetry recitation. I am going to recite the poem At the Land of Storybook. At evening, when the lamp is lit, around the fire my parents sit. They sit at home and talk and sing, and do not play at anything. Now with my little gun I scroll, all in the dark, along the wall, and follow around the forest track, away behind the sofa back. These are the hills, these are the woods, these are my starry stars, and the river by whose track the roaring lions come to drink. When my nurse comes in for me, home I return across the sea, and go backwards look at my dear land of storybook, written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Thank you.
Hi. Good morning. Welcome to the world of pronouns. Pronouns are the word. Some of the types are given in the chart. Pronouns are the unsung heroes of language. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Deshna from Standard 5. This is my project on health stamp. Welcome to the world of multiples. Do you know how to find the smallest number that two or more numbers can divide into evenly? That's what we are exploring today with our LCM project. Let's discover the secrets of least common multiple. LCM stands for least common multiple. It is the fundamental concept in math. Join us to learn how to calculate LCM and its real world application. Let's start with finding the LCM of 4 and 6. First we list the multiple using bits. Multiple of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Multiple of 8 is 8, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Can you spot the number that appears in both lists? That is right. It is 12 and 24. In these two common multiples, the smallest multiple is 12. So the least common multiple is 12. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Shahid from class 5. My project is based on fraction. Fraction all around us from measure. Increments to divide time. Fraction make your lives easier. Let's see what is fraction. Fraction is a number that shows part of a whole. Fraction has two parts, numerator and denominator. For example, if you have 5 candies, in that 5 candies you gave to your friend 2 candies. So the fraction is 2 by 5. Shaded area represents 2 of the 5 candies. It is written as 2 by 5. Here are some examples for fraction. See this figure. This figure has 4 parts. In that 4 parts, one is shaded. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Sai Sujan from 5th standard. My project is angles and neat types. Angles are all around us. Angles play an important role in your daily life. Join us to explore them. An angle is a shape formed by two line segments from a common point. There are some places where angles are formed. Now will we explore the different types of angles. Angles are all classified into various types on its measurement. Acute angle lesser than 90 degree. Obtuse angle greater than 90 degree but lesser than 180 degree. Straight angle 180 degree a straight line. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Beulah of 5th standard. Let me explain about human heart. The heart is a thick muscular organ. It is conical in shape. It is covered with double wall called pericardium. The pericardial fluid protects the heart from shock. The heart is divided into two chambers. The upper two chambers are called arteria or auricle. The lower two chambers are called ventricles. The right side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood from various parts of the body and pumps it to the lungs for oxygenation. The left side of the heart receives oxygenated blood from various parts of the body and pumps it to the lungs. Thank you.
Good morning. This is Ram Charan from 5th standard. My project is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is a process of collecting and storing water for future use. Advantages of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting can reduce flooding in the cities. Rainwater harvesting can reduce topsoil loss. Groundwater level can be increased. Groundwater can be conserved. It can improve plant growth. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Joella, 5th standard. I am going to explain about water cycle. Water cycles show how water moves between the earth and the sky. Each has 4 steps: evaporation, condensation, precipitation and collection. Step 1. First, the sun heats up water in the river, lake and ocean. It turns into water vapor, which goes up into the sky. This is called evaporation. Step 2. When the water vapor cool down in the sky, it turns into tiny water droplets. This is called condensation. Step 3. When the cloud get heavy, they release water as rain, snow or hail. This is called precipitation. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Sana of 5th standard. Welcome to my solar system. The solar system is a family of sun, planets, moon, asteroids, comets and more. The sun is at the center and all the planets revolve around it because of its gravity. Do you know how many planets in our solar system? 8 planets. Mercury is the smallest planet and closest to the sun. Venus, it is very bright and very hot. It's called Earth twin. Earth is the third planet from the sun. It is the only planet where life exists. Mars is known as red planet because of the presence of red soil. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. Saturn is the second largest planet and also called ringed planet. Uranus is the blue-green planet because of the methane in its atmosphere. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. Thank you.
I am Aditi. Today I am going to explain about the layers of the atmosphere using this model. Do you know what is atmosphere? The atmosphere is like a blanket of air which surrounds the earth and protects us. Any guess how many layers of atmosphere are there? It is made up of 5 layers. The first layer is troposphere, that is closest to the earth, responsible for the weather changes. The second layer is stratosphere. This layer has the ozone layer which protects us from the harmful sun's rays.
Hi, I am Divaka. The middle layer is mesosphere. Here is where meteor burns up when they enter Earth's atmosphere. That's why we see shooting star. The fourth layer is demosphere, which is very hot. This is where satellites orbit the Earth. Finally, the exosphere. Hi, I am Vaishnav from 5th standard. I am going to talk about the names of the people who belong to the following profession. A person who sells fruits and vegetables on hand cost is a costmonger. A person who sells fish is a fishmonger. A person who sells sweet and chocolate is a confectioner. A person who repair and made old utensils is a teller. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Matric from 5th standard. This is my project on space station and satellite. Let me detail you about my project. Did you know the satellite helps us to communicate with people far away, monitors the weather and navigate space station are like laboratories in space where astronauts can live one. A satellite is an object that orbits around the Earth and other planets. There are many types of satellite: communication satellite, navigation satellite, and weather satellite. Space station is the big satellite that orbits around the Earth and other planets. Astronauts in a space station conduct scientific experiments and try new technologies. For example, the International Space Station. It is also a well-known space station. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Titus from class 5. I am going to talk about India currency and its unique feature. India currency is called Indian rupee. It is issued by Reserve Bank of India. Now we will see its unique feature. India currency is called Indian rupee.
Portrait of Mahatma Gandhi note. National emblem Ashok pillar on the center of note. Water mark. Currency note water mark images of Mahatma Gandhi. Now its panel displays the 15 April.
Good morning, I am Srikar of Standard 5. I am presenting a project on the topic of generations of computer. What is computer? A computer is an electronic device which is used to perform various jobs. The computer that we use today has history behind its inventions. The computers are classified into 5 generations. Each and every generation gradually shows the technological development that the computers operated. The computers operated in each generation leads to be more compact, less expensive but more powerful and efficient devices. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मैं अलीना हूँ। मैं 5वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। मैं आपको राष्ट्रीय प्रतीकों के बारे में कहना चाहती हूँ। भारत में 16 प्रतीक हैं। राष्ट्रीय चिन्ह अशोक का किला, राष्ट्रीय ध्वज तिरंगा, राष्ट्रीय फल आम, राष्ट्रीय पेड़ बरगद, राष्ट्रीय फूल कमल, राष्ट्रीय पक्षी मोर, राष्ट्रीय गीत वंदे मातरम, राष्ट्रीय गाना जनगण मन, राष्ट्रीय खेल हॉकी, राष्ट्रीय नदी गंगा. धन्यवाद.
Good morning. I am Nandita of Standard 5. I am here to explain about the topic Internet Connection Model. The Internet is known as Internet Connection of Computer Networks. It connects massive of networks of networks. It connects millions of computers across the world together through telephone line, cables and satellite. Requirements to get connected in the Internet. Modem telephone lines have Internet Service Provider ISP. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Janani of Standard 5. I am presenting a project on the topic Applications of Computer. Computer is an electronic device which plays vital role in every field of life. They are used in home, business, education, research, organization, medical fields, office, communication and bank, etc. Here we are going to see some of the uses of computer in various fields. Thank you.